Hi y'all, it's Annelies, and I am going to do my first unboxing video in London. How exciting. And it is actually for a purchase I got specifically because of the fact that I'm in London, and that is the Soundcore Q30 wireless over-ear noise cancelling headphones. I have been looking for a pair of noise cancelling headphones for a while, but it was more of like a luxury to have. And then I started riding the tube here in London, and there are some points where it is so loud that I cannot hear my music even when it is up to 100. I can hear like tones in the background, but I can't make out any detail of my music, even if the volume's all the way up with like my AirPods. If I'm using my Beats X, which are or Beats Flex, you know what I mean. These are in-ear headphones, and that helps the noise cancellation a little bit. But if y'all are not new to the channel, you know my personal strife with the AirPods Pro. Although I love them so much, they hurt my ears immensely. I have a video coming out that I made before my move, or that I filmed before my move, about the Beats Studio Buds, and I'll save the review for the review, but I'm just gonna say I had to return them, unfortunately. But I've been on the lookout for some noise canceling headphones, and I came across these because I'm familiar with the Soundcore brand. I love Anchor. I have their chargers and cables and tons of stuff from them, and so I know that they're a reliable brand. I have friends who have used their wireless, like in-ear, like AirPods type of headphones, but never the over-ear headphones. Then I decided to look up a review from Tech Commune. He's a fellow small tech channel here on YouTube who did a review not only of the Q20's and of the Q30's, but a comparison between the two of them. And if you're considering either of these headphones, go watch his video. I'll leave it as the top link in the description because it is a fantastic video. He's a great creator, but he also does a really great showcasing of the differences between the headphones as well as the noise cancellation. And so that's what sold me on them, because on the tube it gets very, very loud and it hurts my ears, honestly. So I decided to bite the bullet, get some of these, see how they are, but this is just an unboxing. And they came in like one day, which was great. Now they are like USB-C, they've got the latest Bluetooth nonsense, and 40 hours of noise cancellation battery. If you're using the active noise cancellation, you get 40 hours of battery, which was also very appealing. I didn't know this came with a case. This is nice. Obviously, I am an also, pardon the strummings of a guitar that I think is coming from one of the 2 floors above me. It sounds lovely, roommates, but hopefully it's not picking up on here. But anyway, obviously I love my Apple products because I love the H1 chip and the W1 chip, and it just makes syncing to my phone super easy. But I also understand that we can't have everything. But supposedly the syncing process with this is pretty simple, and there's like an app for it to control certain noise canceling patterns. So, wow. You know, I would not have gone with the black hair. I personally like choosing colors. That's why I have like the electric yellow or whatever it's called. I like choosing colors, but there was a 15-pound coupon for this, so I'm not mad about that. Okay, it says NFC, touch with your Android phone. That's not what I have. Okay, these feel really nice right off the bat. To give you a little bit of a look, they already feel really soft. They feel really high quality. I've never owned a pair of over-the-ear headphones. Am I talking really loud? Do I just turn it on? Oh, battery medium. Soundcore Life Q30's. They don't look bad on my big head. Oh, I think it's already started. Okay, we've got, this is just a toggle button, power button, USB-C, play, pause, nonsense, touch or transparency. Oh, frick. That is not an easy remove sticker. Oh, come on, really? Hello. Okay. Okay, so this is normal. This is transparency. I can definitely hear that video. Wow. Okay. I don't know how loud I'm talking with those on. That feels very odd, but it feels, they're very comfortable. They're not too heavy. Obviously, wearing them for longer, I'll be able to tell like how much pressure they're putting on my head, like when I'm on the tube. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to see how they are on the tube because I don't know. But they sound the sound is very good. The sound quality is very, very nice on them. It's like a nice hard case. Obviously, I like the size of like AirPods or like AirPods Pro because they're small, but, and a freaking audio cable. I appreciate that, especially for editing. Oh, this is gonna be so nice. It's not a comfortable length, but if my computer's right here, and if I plug this in, I wonder if you still have to have a battery Okay. And it's on there. Yes. Oh, it's on the battery app. Yes. Oh, that makes me so happy. I'm still getting used to the whole filming with 6 roommates thing. If you have any co-working spaces to recommend in London, let me know. So, I mean, these feel very nice, very high quality. It's almost like an aluminum on the outside. How do I turn this off? Did I turn it off? They fold up, which is nice. They're soft, they're comfy. Yep, there we go. USB-A to USB Type-C. Got like a nice quality little pouch for all the cables and such. Put in here. Wait, I have to show you this thing. That's great. The height of luxury. Well, all of my roommates have decided to congregate right in the kitchen, which is like 5 feet from my door, and I can hear them really clearly. I don't know if you can hear them really clearly, but I think I'm gonna go now. So we're still getting used to how to make tech videos in a space like this, people. But thank you for coming along for the ride. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. To many more unboxings in the future. If you have any suggestions for videos, let me know in the comments down below. Like I said, go watch Tech Commun's comparison video if you're interested in the comparison between the Q20's and the Q30's, because he does a fantastic job at that. But otherwise, that is it for me. Stay beautiful, have a marvelous day, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!